Okay, we're in a 2023 Volvo S90 and it's giving me book time for maintenance. So if I go into car status, book time for regular maintenance, click on that, it says book time for regular maintenance, call the workshop and cancel. No, nothing happens. And then of course when you start the car, it comes up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and clear it, and let's see if I can do that. Alright, so let's see if this works. So the whole time I'm going to have the decelerate button on the cruise control pressed. I'm going to start the car, put it in drive. It'll say book time for maintenance. That'll go away after a few seconds. I will keep the cruise control decelerate button depressed, and when I see the information triangle flashing, I will release the button. Alright, there's our book time for maintenance. It went away. Maintenance reminder reset. I really didn't show that very well. I just held the button down, started the vehicle, and when I saw it flashing, I released the button, and now it's clear. So if we go to car status, we see we have our tire pressure monitoring system. It's all set. I don't have to reset it. If you adjust the air pressure, you need to reset it. But the book time for maintenance is gone. Hopefully this will work for you. And again, I apologize for not capturing it on camera.